long vowel sound O, okay? So again, this sound here is the O sound, O, O. Is a split digraph sound, which means the E jumps to the O to form the O sound, but it is split between another letter or sound, okay? So this makes the O sound. So let's put it into some words then. Today's first word is nose, nose. N-O-S, nose, N-O-S, nose. Okay, so the E joins the O to make the O sound, and the last sound we pronounce is the S sound. N-O-S, nose. Here is my nose. I just dropped my marker. Nose. Okay, so going on to our next word with today's split digraph O sound is wrote. Wrote. R-O-T. Wrote. R-O-T. Wrote. Here we have a two-letter sound, but the W or W is silent. It's a silent letter. So here, the W and R make just a R sound. R-O-T. Wrote. Okay, the last sound we are pronouncing is the T sound, and the E joins the O to make the O sound, split digraph. R-O-T. Wrote. Okay, so I wrote the words down yesterday. And this is a past tense for write. Okay, so how many letters does wrote have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sounds? R-O-T. 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. Okay, and our final word is globe. Globe. Okay, globe. G-L-O-B. Globe. So we got 2 adjacent consonant sounds here. G and L to make the gl sound. Gl-O-B. Globe. Okay, gl-O-B. Globe. B is the last sound we are pronouncing. Okay, so gl-O-B. Globe. Where are you on the globe? Okay, where are you right now on the globe? Okay, the world. So let's go for them all again together. Make sure you're practicing at home with me like always, so we can practice to speak better together. Okay, and we have O, O, O. Okay, nose, N-O-S, nose. Wrote, R-O-T, wrote. And globe, Gl-O-B, globe. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.